Let's go, man. It's Big CO BJ back at it again. So today we're gonna go with the hot taper. You see, we gotta fix his hairline. He been pushed back. So, hey, man, y'all know where to go. So let's get straight to it, man. I'm about to go ahead and put the neck strip, drape my client, comb everything out. We're gonna go with the one fully closed to go ahead and make sure the canvas is very even and equal as far as the hair length. And then we're gonna do a high taper. We're gonna go skin to make the blend go ahead and hit. And then after that, we're gonna be working with that hairline. So as y'all see, I go ahead and start combing everything out piece by piece. The reason why I use that big comb because what I've realized is that the smaller combs are tighter and it hurts more, so I kind of space it out by doing the big comb to kind of start off, you know what I'm saying, not too aggressive. So I break it down with the big comb, then I go with the smaller comb to go ahead and, but I use the wide tooth side. So as y'all see, I'm going with the one fully closed. Then I decide I'm gonna go against the grain just to really blend those sides out since the line was pushed back a little bit too far. So as y'all see, I'm going one fully closed against the grain. Just making sure I'm staying consistent with everything. As you can see, I'm just flowing. Making sure I'm comb as I go so I can make sure I'm not missing anything. Y'all stay tuned, man. I got some new content on the way. Y'all follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, bjs.cuts with 2 Z's for my barber page, or you can scan that QR code that you seen at first. Tap in. So as y'all see, what I'm trying to do is I'm just blending that side. I did a limp to where you can't really tell how bad you've been pushed back, as you can see. I wanted to get this on film to show y'all how to restore a pushed back hairline, but also just give you some pointers. As you can see, I'm going against the grain. You still see that as light, but I'm gonna try to blend it as much as I can. Go over the little spots that we can see. Consistency is everything. As y'all can see, man, I just had to keep going over it multiple times just to make sure. But the results are gonna be great. Like y'all gonna see. I was able to bring his hairline back down and he's nice and clean too. I'm just removing extra hair. I go lever fully closed. No C-cup. As I said before, I'm going skin. As you can see, I'm going below that line. Now I'm going lever fully open. Then I'm going halfway right now. Now I'm going closed. Now I'm going lever open, going with the grain, and then I'm just detailing with my corners. I'm not really using no garb. That's how low I'm fading it today, just so it can grow back even. Like I said, lever fully closed, lever open, midway, and then I'm going to detail as well to get that blend nice and even. As y'all can see, I'm using my thumb right there to stretch the skin in the tight area. I'm just trying to balance everything. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, at bj.cuts with 2 Z's. Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all tap in, man. Big shout out to all my subscribers, my new followers. Like I said, man, just 2 months ago, I started off with 74 subscribers. Now I'm at 218. Let's keep it going. Let's reach 500. Keep pushing, man. So I got some more content on the way. If I got any suggestions or any requests, just let me know in the comment section. I got some stuff up my sleeve for 2025, so man, y'all stay tuned. Let's lock in. As y'all can see, I'm just staying consistent. I use a hot taper because I'm trying to make sure I get those corners to blend out as much as I can. So as y'all can see, I'm about to line them up. I'm going below the line. Piece by piece, as you can see, just staying consistent, making sure I'm keeping my hand steady. Prime example for you get what you pay for. I know, sometimes I got certain specials, things like that, but hey man, y'all gotta get y'all good barber and stay consistent. And this is a steady climb. I'm just saying in general, like a lot of men tend to try to go for the cheaper barbers, but you got to have experience as you go as well. As y'all can see, everything's coming together. Piece by piece, looking like a whole new person. Real clean. Very smooth transition, as you can see. Put everything where it needed to be as far as the lineup and the fade, the blend. Look at that. Like I said, man, follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj, at bj's cuts with 2 Z's. Let's go.